What's going on, guys? It's super early. It's about 5:30 right now. 5:30. You guys hear that voice crack? I'm still sick as fuck. It's minus 18 outside. I plugged in the truck here last night. We gotta get it started. Do that, start the truck. Let's get after it. Let's finish the job. And all the boys are coming in today. Yow! Oh, we're in here, baby. Oh. All right, we made it here to site. Al's here now, and we're gonna fire up these machines, get everything going, and let them warm up. First things first, we got to take everything out of there completely. Then from there, what we're doing is we're going to be taking out all the ice and then probably importing gravel, building the base of that up so the water sheds off it, water doesn't sit on it. Then I'll grab the roller, we'll get in there if the roller fits. I'm not sure if it'll fit underneath that bar, but we'll head over here, we'll get everything out of that building because they have deliveries and stuff that need to go out too. So let's start there and let's get her done, baby. Yo! Look who's here!
Huh?
Brought coffees.
Good. How to keep the boss happy, huh?
Yeah. Showed up just in time. I gotta bring this roller to site now. The only thing being is I think I said this morning that I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. So I gotta bring it there now. I mean, I measured and I think we have about 1 inch. So we'll find out. God damn it. All right, I better go back to the yard, start this thing. All right, so yeah, this thing won't start, of course, because we need it today. So what I'm gonna do is the battery's actually underneath the seat, so I'm gonna pop it off, hook the charger up to it, and get it started and leave it running. I sound like an alien because I'm so sick. I sound like I'm talking through a straw. 1 bolt. Here we go. Oh yeah. Awesome. Oh man, really? You're gonna do this to me right now? Ah, fuck! What do I use? It might be really loud when I start it. Thanks for the boost, Al. I'm gonna go back to the yard, hop in the tandem, and go get a load of GA from the pit. So we'll get some pit shots. Let's do it. All right, we're in the Western Star now. I should be good. I just gotta check my box, make sure there's no snow in it. All right, we gotta dump some snow that's in the box. I love this old tandem. 2013, this one, but it's got the bigger D13 Detroit diesel motor in it, so. Look at that big thing. He loads me in a bucket and a little bit, and that's it. And then it's good. All right, we're all loaded up. I got about, by the look on my weight, I got about 15.1 ton on, or just under 15 ton, which is perfect. So we'll go back up and we'll get weighed up and we'll head to the job site. Busy, busy day, guys. Wouldn't have it any other friggin' way. You guys are probably watching this on Friday, so happy Friday. Hopefully you guys are gonna have a wicked awesome weekend. And you know what? Show some support, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment. Tell your friends subscribing is free. It always will be free. I'll never charge you a dime to watch this channel. What a great way to plug your channel. What a beautiful sound. Now I'm in here with Al, riding buddy seat. Hey Al, how's it going, bud? I know, this looks awesome. This turned out good. We got everything out we needed to get out. We'll just put a skip of gravel over it, fix up the low spots, and then we'll be fine. Yeah. Okay, that was done. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna dump the gravel, and we're gonna throw some gravel in here and in this place, give it a roll, and our job here is done.
Back in action, baby. Who's here? Court. Cause that's the way Corey likes to do it. You know this. You know this. I know you all missed me.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world going bad.
A little update on what happened. So the skid steer is now currently being floated out to Cat. We had a main line underneath it completely blow. I didn't get it on camera because it was just too much going on at once. So now we have to hand bomb the remaining gravel into the shed because the backhoe doesn't fit.
Turn on the news, a sad state of affairs. Half the people dying while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world gone bad.
battery's dying. You guys are on the Hero 8. We're gonna finish up this last little bit. I'm hot and sweaty. What a beautiful day, guys. I wouldn't have it any other fucking way. Alright, so you guys just watched, we just cleaned up everything and the job is now complete. So I want to show you guys what it ended up looking like, and then Al's still dropping up the skid steer, and I'll update you guys on my Instagram and everything about what's going on with it, but it should be warranty. So here's what we did. So as you come in here, now no more ice. We put everything, and now I know some guys are gonna go butt the frost underneath and everything like that. We know that this is going to be something that we'll have to come back in the spring and fix, but for now it's frozen and it should be all right. So then in here, we completely redid all in here. This is all done, flattened in here. So now they'll be able to put their stuff back in, drive in with the forklift, cleared all the ice away from the shipping containers back down there. So it turned out pretty good. Happy with how it turned out, and that's another job wrapped up. So we're gonna head back to the yard. I'm gonna drive the backhoe back to the yard, and you guys can come with me if you want. Just like that, we're back. That's pulled out. Why I left it here and why I'm probably gonna leave it here is I have the Western Star triaxle rented out today as well. I'm gonna leave it out, and I want the stuff to get pressure washed because here in Canada we use salt on our roads, and salt is no good for machinery or your vehicles or anything like that. It rusts the stuff. So I called the pressure washer guy. He comes with a heated pressure washer, and he's going to be taking care of that tonight for us. Corey, how did you think today went?
I loved it.
I got it all on camera. I was raking out the, what is it, 1.5, so 3 yards. So it would have been about 4 tons of gravel.
You sore?
No, I'm not sore, dude.
I'm not sore at all either.
Well, that pretty much wraps up. Al is down dropping off the skid steer, so that's pretty much the job. Corey, thanks for coming and give us a hand.
No problem, anytime.
It was a pleasure seeing you again, and maybe we'll see you soon, hopefully.
I enjoyed them more than your company.
If anybody has any work that lives in the Ottawa area that needs something done, you know who to call. Any truck rentals, you know who to call as well. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the True Patriots channel that watched the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Terrific Tuesday. Why Terrific Tuesday? Well, we ended up blowing a line on the skid steer, but we wrapped up that job. Another happy customer, another happy work crew. Today was awesome, and I'm glad to get the guys all back out working. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, I want you guys to comment down below Terrific Tuesday. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.